The American Civil War, a defining moment in United States history, tore the nation apart from 1861 to 1865. This conflict reshaped American society and continues to influence the country to this day. The causes of the Civil War were complex and deeply rooted. At the heart of the conflict was the issue of slavery. Southern states relied heavily on slave labor for their agricultural economy, while northern states had largely abolished the practice. This fundamental disagreement led to tensions over states' rights and the balance of power in the federal government. As new territories were added to the United States, debates intensified over whether slavery should be allowed to expand. The election of Abraham Lincoln, who opposed the expansion of slavery in 1860, served as a catalyst for Southern states to secede from the Union. The war saw numerous key battles that shaped its outcome. The First Battle of Bull Run in 1861 shocked both sides into realizing the conflict would not be quickly resolved. The Battle of Antietam in 1862 was the bloodiest single-day battle in American history and gave President Lincoln the political cover to issue the Emancipation Proclamation. The Battle of Gettysburg in 1863 marked a turning point, halting the Confederacy's advance into the North. Finally, General William Sherman's march to the sea in 1864 devastated the South's resources and morale, hastening the end of the war. The consequences of the Civil War were far-reaching and transformative. The conflict resulted in the abolition of slavery, enshrined in the 13th Amendment to the Constitution. It also led to the 14th and 15th Amendments, which granted citizenship and voting rights to former slaves. The war dramatically altered the American economy, accelerating industrialization in the North and destroying the plantation system in the South. It also greatly expanded the power of the federal government, setting the stage for a more unified nation. The American Civil War remains a pivotal chapter in the nation's history. It ended the institution of slavery, preserved the Union, and set the United States on a path toward becoming a global power. The war's legacy continues to shape discussions about race, equality, and the nature of American democracy to this day.